Florida is the lightning capital of the country. If you don't have surge protection on your major appliances, you're gambling with thousands of dollars. What a power surge does: a nearby lightning strike sends a voltage spike through your home's electrical system. That spike hits every plugged-in appliance simultaneously. Control boards, compressors, and electronic components get fried instantly. How much damage? A single lightning event can destroy multiple appliances at once. I've seen one strike take out a refrigerator control board, a washer control board, and an oven control panel in the same house. Total repair bill: over $1,000. Protection options: whole house surge protector. This is installed at your electrical panel by an electrician. It intercepts surges before they reach any outlet. Cost is $200 to $500 installed. This is the best option and protects everything. Individual appliance surge protectors. Plug-in surge protectors rated for major appliances. Make sure they're rated for the wattage of the appliance. Standard power strips are not surge protectors. Look for the joule rating. Higher is better. 2,000 joules or more for appliances. For refrigerators specifically, there are surge protectors designed just for compressor-based appliances that also include brownout protection. These cost $50 to $100 and protect the compressor from undervoltage damage. Our recommendation: whole house surge protector plus individual protection on your most expensive appliances. Appliance repair and protection advice: Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.